everybody. So I'm out just exploring, looking for places to fly. As you can see, I got my gear. I think I found something. It's really pretty. I just haven't walked over this berm here to see if it's something I can fly or not. Looks like people go up right here. I don't know, maybe wildlife. It's just hot out. It's like almost 90. And, oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Looks like a good spot to fly to me. Oh, wide open. See if I can walk over here. I just don't want to run into any rattlesnakes, because this looks like it is not maintained in any way. Look really good first before I start walking, because they don't fucking know that you're there because they can't see. They go by vibration and heat. So if I step into a shadow where they may be basking, cooling off, they can rear up and snag me. So, oh, there is a trail right there, a walking path. Okay, so something or someone is out here. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good spot to fly. So I figured I'd go down and take a gander down there. Just do a little cruise. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. Like, that's a long walk and I'm wearing flip-flops. So if I have to go down after my quad, it's gonna be a nightmare. So let's do this though, huh? Got CrossFire on this quad. Got some new props. Just flew it the other day. So we should be good. Sorry about moving the camera around so much. I'm just a little worked up, a little nervous. You know, insects, they're not fun. Snakes, they're not fun if you get bit by one. They're cool to own if you have a non-venomous pet. Alright. I wish there was a tree here that I could hang out under, but you know what would be underneath a tree? A snake. A snake. A snake might be under a tree, right? Alright. Goggles out. Ooh, I don't like that smell. I smell big cat urine. And I'm not talking house cat urine. I'm smelling that shit smell with urine. It's strong. That's not good. That means there's a mountain lion around here somewhere. That's not fucking good. But if I can get my quad in the air, I'll be alright. Cut him with my quad. Quad cut. He's gonna try and get me. He's gonna get me. I gotta get him. He's gonna kick my ass. I gotta kick his ass. I love that. So how are you all doing today, man? Are you guys having a good day? I hope you are. It is a Thursday afternoon for me. And, don't put that in crooked, Justin. You're gonna ruin your module. Whoops. It's a Thursday and I'm just trying to have a good old time out here, you know. I'm trying to give you guys some more raw footage. And, like, if I could, I would do a live stream, but I haven't hit my 1,000 subs yet. So I can't do any live streams for my phone. And as I started to actually want to do it is when they took it away. And I came to town today and I was like, oh yeah, it'll probably work. It didn't work for me. You have to have 1,000. I thought being close to 1,000 would do it. Nope, you need 1,000. And it takes a few days to just stream normally, you know, after you have your 1,000 subs. It has to stay locked in or whatever. Now I got 30% battery life on the goggles. So we should be okay. We'll see. Alright? We'll see. Okay. This up. I'm running. Stupid bugs. Get everything ready just to go if we need to go. If the sheriff comes or something says you have to leave. I'm ready to go. Just gonna rock a China Hobby Line 1300 4-cell 100C.
Welcome to OpenTX.
I don't want to launch from the dirt, but I'll come and land on the dirt. Alright, is everybody ready to go on this awesome ride along? I have not flown here yet, so like I've dreamed of flying here many a times. And Philly Drone Life, this one is for you. Do stuff that scares you. I am out here scaring the shit out of myself right now for you, bro. Something, I just heard something sound like a big kitty growl. Still fucking flying. I don't care, I need to fly. Do what scares you, right? Within reason, don't be an idiot. Well, call me an idiot, because there could be a mountain lion on this hill. We're on the edge of Tucson.
I remember waiting for the school bus. Jenny Clayton was my first crush, and neither one of us had a clue. In Old Cheyenne, it was
battery is so dead, it's not funny. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride. I hope you had a good time. I flew 3 batteries here, and I hope it turned out good. I hope I've got good footage. If not, I'll just do what I do best, is just fix it as much as I can and post it. And I just need to thank you guys. I got to thank you all again. Thank you so much for being here, supporting me, and watching all my footage. Without you guys, I probably wouldn't be doing this anymore. So please like, share, subscribe, and best of all, get out there and go fly yourself if you have a drone. If you have any sort of drone, just get out and go fly. Be careful, and make sure you don't hurt nothing. And just have a good time. Don't hurt yourself, mainly, is what I'm meaning. But have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching, and truly, truly mean it.